Captions AI tutorial and review, the best video editing tool. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Captions AI, whether or not this is the best video editing tool and what are all the features that this particular tool is packed with. So let's jump right in. Now, first off, you're going to head on over into Captions AI and then click on Get Started. Now, you can get started for free, but they do have premium plans which are recommended for full use of their platform. However, you can sign up completely for free and create your first video. So we're going to sign up with Google over here. We're going to agree to their terms of service. You can sign up with your email, Microsoft, or Apple as well. But I'm just going to be opting for Google for a quick and easy sign up on Captions AI. Now, once we do that, we're just going to go on ahead and proceed. Now, once we have logged on into our account, this is what our dashboard is going to look like. Starting off, you're going to have your first project where you can get started and craft your first video with AI. Then after that, you have Mirage Studio, which is a new tool that has been introduced by Captions AI, where you can generate expressive performances with actors who look, sound, and feel real. This is more so for UGC type content. Then after that, they even have their Social Studio, which allows you to plan and post your social media videos. So this makes it really easy for automatic posting as well as personalized generated videos. Below that, you have your AI Creator, which is the easiest way to create your talking video ads. You can opt to create from a prompt. You can go with an AI ad or customize it yourself. Then you have AI Editing and AI Shorts. So simply upload the video that you want to edit with the help of AI. So I'm just going to take a sample video that I have and I'm just going to click on Open. I'm going to go into AI Edit, and once I go into AI Edit, I'm just going to select my video. So right now we have just selected our video that we want to upload. Now this is the video. You can select the default language for the spoken language if you know what language is being spoken, and then you have your custom color that you can apply to captions and media. Then click on Create Project and you can proceed with either manual editing or AI Edit. I want to go with AI Edit over here and then click on Create Project. Once you do that, it is going to automatically edit your video, and this makes a lot of things so much simpler, especially when you have a bunch of long form content and you're trying to build short form content and shorts and clips, reels, because we all know how engaging reels and clips are, especially for getting more engagement with your longer form content. If you're able to use the proper hooks, if you're able to utilize your content in a more diverse way, that is really beneficial, especially when you're trying to get your branding, when you're trying to get more people interested in your content, because it is very likely that a short reel might be suggested to a user, but it gets more difficult to get people to view your longer videos. Now, while that is happening, you can explore the other features. So if I want to paste in a YouTube link, then I can turn long form videos into viral worthy clips. I can even upload my own clip if I have not uploaded my video on YouTube yet, and then just click on Open. Once it does that, it is going to detect the voice and create a short accordingly. And you guys can see that this editing tool is fully automated. You don't have to worry about having to do everything by yourself. And let's take a look at our first project. So it does take a little bit of time for your projects to be completed. Obviously, it is going to take some time for the entire video to be edited and created for you. And you guys can see that not only do you have the ability to describe a topic and create a video with the help of AI, but you can even type in a script if you want a specific script. Let's say I want to add psychology tricks that actually work. From there, I can choose the appearance of the actor that I want to use, and I want to be using this actor here, or this one over here instead. Then I can choose the voice that I want to use, the editing style. So within this, you guys can see I have several different editing styles, and I want to go with something that is going to be pretty basic. So I want to go with something like Elevate, and then go with these particular style colors are fine. And then I'm going to click on continue, and just like so, it's going to generate a script accordingly, and then it's going to create my video accordingly as well. Then I can click on generate video and my video will be created. So this allows you to have full customized control over content that you're editing or content that you are creating. Not only that, but when you're able to simplify your workflows, it makes it really, really helpful. And you can even build AI twins, so you can clone yourself to create your own custom AI avatar. This makes it easier for you to build more content in lesser time. You even have your own brand kit that you can create, which allows you to ensure that your brand posts are cohesive and your brand identity remains integrated within your social media content. Now, moving forward into the next step, we are going to move into our actual videos that Captions AI is going to create for us. So right now our first video has been edited, and just like so, I'm going to open this up and let's take a look. We have a shot style hook, we have our voiceover, we have some background music, and then we have our general script.
Secrets psychologists don't want you to know influencing anyone. When someone's angry, stay calm. Your composure forces them to match your...
Now keep in mind that the preview that you see over here has watermarks, and these watermarks are created because they do not want you to, directly download the video. So that is why you see the watermarks over here. Otherwise, you are going to be able to remove the watermarks later on.
Need a favor? Start with a small request first, then build up. It's called the foot in the door technique. Want to be more likable? Use the mirroring technique. Subtly match their posture and speaking pace. People trust those similar to themselves.
So you guys can see that it has created our full video, and it's a perfect video. Honestly, I could just click on export over here, download this, and then this video would be ready to post. Now, when it comes to video editing, I'm going to add captions to a already created video. So I'm going to be uploading a video that we have, like this one, and then I'm going to be using an AI edit style. So I'm going to go with AI edit, and I'm just going to go with a recess style, and then click on create project, and this video does have audio in it. Keep in mind, if you're using AI editing, obviously you're using that to add captions, so the video does need to be audible. If it's not audible, then the captions cannot be created, so do keep that in mind whenever you're using AI edits. So now let's wait a couple of seconds for this to be created and for our auto subtitles to appear. So right now our video has been auto edited using Captions AI, and let's take a look. So this was our video that we took from a creator that had not added any captions. And it has automatically added all of the captions within this particular style.
Normally I randomly pick one.
So you guys can see it has added all the captions that are required, and then it added, some B-roll as well. This B-roll was cut out. You guys can see that this was the original video of the creator, and then it just added B-roll because that part was a bit it was a bit stagnant and it didn't have, a lot of changes in the screen. And just like that, it was able to edit our entire video. Not only was it able to add the captions, but also add some amazing B-roll in spaces where my original video was not as engaging or was a bit lackluster. So this is how you can get started with Captions AI. It truly is an innovative editing tool. I do think this is primarily something that is optimized for social media use, and you can get started for as low as $9 a month on their pro plans and $24 for their max plan. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.